Every matter of universe, whether a star, a galaxy or a planet, shares a single origin. Mostly it is believed that the Big Bang made everything out of nothing. Studying these things in the past was difficult, but as soon as technology advanced, it got easier. In today's video, I will share the history of the formation of the universe that researchers have found until now. Big Bang. To understand the universe's history, we must go to the time when the Big Bang occurred. Some people think of the Big Bang as an explosion, but it was not. It was just a rapid expansion of space and time in all dimensions with high radiation. Two Americans, astronomer Robert Wilson and astrophysicist Arno Penzias, got an odd buzzing sound on the antenna they had installed in New Jersey. They got puzzled and started inferring with all the possible sources. At last they agreed they had discovered cosmic microwave background, which echoed the universe's explosive birth and was the only evidence that the Big Bang happened. Our universe is 13.7 billion years old. When it was newly born, like the billionth of a trillionth of a second old, it expanded even faster than the speed of light. Within a small fraction of a second, it multiplied at least 90 times. Energy got diluted with this expansion. It took just 3 minutes to cool down and create the first particle light elements. Those light particles afterward, named protons and neutrons, started colliding with each other and formed hydrogen, helium and lithium. This creation increased the temperature, making it too hot for light to shine, plunging the universe into the dark age for millions of years. Space was devoid of any planet, galaxy or star during these times. Age of reionization. Finally, after 400 million years, light emerged from darkness after ionization, and a population of 3 stars was born. These stars hold information about the earliest times of universe formation, and now researchers have started looking at them in detail with the help of the James Webb Space Telescope. Formation of galaxies. Galaxies appeared after 1 billion years of the universe's formation, and there are also different theories about their appearance. One idea says that enormous clouds of gas and dust collapsed under their own gravitational pull, forming stars, which ultimately resulted in galaxies. A theory that gained momentum used to say that small lumps of matter clumped and swirled until they achieved the size of galaxies. Milky Way. When we talk about our Milky Way, it is roughly 13.6 billion years old and has 100 to 400 billion stars. It is so huge that 100,000 light years are needed to travel across it. Images taken from the Spitzer Space Telescope of NASA show that the 2 arms of the galaxy wrap up the central band of stars. The formation of stars and galaxies hasn't stopped yet, and researchers say there could be 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. Formation of the solar system. A dense cloud of gas was seen swirling in the galaxy around 4.5 billion years ago. Gravity played its role and pulled as much matter as possible into the centre. The density was so high at the centre that hydrogen formed helium and released energy. This energy transformed into a star that we see daily. Yes, you got it right, it's our Sun. After the formation of the Sun, the excessive matter around it got clustered and went into its gravitational pull, forming different planets. Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus were formed first. As the light emission intensity got less, more minor planets formed. Our planet Earth is known to orbit the Sun in the Goldilocks zone, which is at the perfect distance from the Sun to sustain life. After 60 to 175 million years of the formation of our solar system, a planet collided with Earth. The debris of the planet got morphed together, giving us our Moon. Origin of life. Life in this universe is far from inevitable. Whenever we try to peek into it, we end up seeing the blue nebula. Galaxies and star clusters are all lifeless. But the whole scenario changes when we try to discover our home planet. life started 3.7 billion years ago here. Many researchers think, first of all, microorganisms invaded the Earth, and signs of their presence are present in rocks. Others believe life started from the primordial current inside the ocean, where water and rocks provided enough chemical energy to form unicellular organisms. No matter what you believe, one thing that remains certain here is that Earth has supported life long ago from our arrival here. Humans invaded the planet just 6 million years ago. It's quite a long time, but very small compared to the origin of life, i.e. 13.7 billion years. Our ancestors took a long time to come, but we joined the party quite early. In such a short period, we became cosmic explorers from the hunter-gatherers. Isn't that a huge achievement? We have made telescopes to see far off into space, and we even are preparing to colonize our moon. We have raised questions that our ancestors had never imagined ever. Despite such immense advancement, our Earth still holds a bundle of mysteries. Invisible matter in the universe. 85% of the universe is made of a matter that we are unfamiliar with. Back in 1933, a Swiss astronomer took on the mission of measuring the visible mass of a cluster of galaxies. He concluded that the total mass of a group of galaxies was too small to prevent them from escaping the cluster's gravitational pull. He said that something was acting to hold them together. That matter was later named dark matter, which is entirely invisible. This dark matter acts as a glue and fills our whole universe. It holds everything, and if it escapes, the behaviour of stars, galaxies and planets will not stay normal. Newtonian physics says that the stars at the outer corners orbit more slowly than those in the centre. Still, Vera Rubin, an astronomer, found that there is no difference in the velocities of stars, and they circle with the same speed because the hold of dark matter is identical on all. After dark matter, dark energy arrives, and it is also invisible but holds some powerful effects. It is known to pull cosmos apart at an increasing speed. In 1920, Edwin Hubble discovered that our universe is still expanding continuously. In 1998, it was proved scientifically when the Hubble Space Telescope provided evidence of the universe's expansion in an accelerated manner. It has recently been discovered that continuous expansion is due to dark energy, which is why stars and galaxies race away from each other. Even after the mind-blowing cosmos findings, things are unknown to us. Recently, James Webb Space Telescope was sent to the universe to find the realities of elusive dark matter. Discovery of exoplanets. In our Milky Way, there are trillions of exoplanets, but only 3,900 have been discovered yet, and the closest is PROXIMA Centauri. Scientists are now setting their focus on the TRAPPIST-1 star system, having 7 planets of almost the exact size of Earth. All the telescopes sent to space are now trying to find if any of them can support life or not. Suppose they succeed in finding one, then it will give a new dimension to scientific research. Our universe is known to hold 1 septillion stars, i.e. with 24 zeros, which are still expanding. Our Milky Way is expected to collide with the Andromeda Galaxy in the future because the universe is expanding and galaxies are receding each other. Don't worry, as it's not that near. These galaxies will disappear in the next 100 billion years and leave the universe with many holes. These black holes will eat all that will come their way. Astronomers think that the end of the universe will be the same as its birth. In the future, the universe will start contracting and will end up in a single black hole. Only emptiness will be left, and nobody knows what will happen next. Stay connected as we have to explore the realities together. We are thankful to our subscribers for their continuous support, but if you are a newbie to this channel, please consider subscribing to it, as we will bring you more amazing content in the future.